How to buy United States Donald Trump token. So this token came under the symbol of Trump. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards from crypto. With the best referral code, simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going and buy this token, make sure to check their account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Base network. Open your wallet for that. I will use the Bitkit wallet. Go to your wallet, select the Base as a network from here. Now after that, what you need to do, click on this plus icon, paste the token address here. So this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now after that, go back to your wallet, find your token that you just added. And now this is it. Click on it, click on swap here, switch from here, from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, and make sure to that you have enough USDC on your wallet. After that, type how much you want to buy. After a few seconds, you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, is easy and simple. Click on buy now and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Trump token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.